2026, game not launching and fatal error fix. Step 1. Restart PC and check game status. Close Helldivers 2 completely. Open Task Manager and end all Helldivers 2 related processes. Restart your PC. Launch the game again and check if the crash is fixed. Step 2. Verify game files on Steam. Open Steam. Go to Library. Right-click Helldivers 2. Select Properties, Installed Files. Click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait for Steam to repair damaged files. Step 3. Update GPU drivers. Download the latest NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel graphics driver. Install the latest driver version. Restart your PC. Launch Helldivers 2 again. Step 4. Disable Steam Overlay and other overlays. Open Steam Settings. Go to In-Game. Disable Steam Overlay. Disable Discord Overlay. Disable NVIDIA/AMD Overlay. Restart the game. Step 5. Run Helldivers 2 as administrator. Open the Helldivers 2 installation folder. Right-click the game executable. Select Properties. Open Compatibility. Enable Run this program as administrator. Apply changes and launch the game. Step 6. Clear shader cache. Press Windows R. Type sent local app data .sent. Delete Helldivers 2 shader/cache files if available. Restart your PC. Let the game rebuild new cache files. Step 7. Disable overclock and undervolt settings. Remove GPU overclock settings. Reset CPU, GPU tuning tools to default. Disable MSI Afterburner or similar monitoring tools temporarily. Test the game again. Step 8. Repair Easy Anti-Cheat. Open the Helldivers 2 game folder. Find the Easy Anti-Cheat setup file. Run the repair option. Restart your PC. Launch the game. Step 9. Update Windows. Open Windows Settings. Go to Windows Update. Install all pending updates. Restart your system. Step 10. Reinstall Helldivers 2. Last fix. Uninstall Helldivers 2. Remove remaining game folders. Restart your PC. Install the game again. Test before adding any extra software or tweaks. Common causes: corrupted game files, outdated GPU drivers, broken shader cache, anti-cheat problems, conflicting overlays, game update compatibility issues, overclock instability,